Okay, we're going to take a look at the IA program reports that exist here within the Materials Inspection and Evaluation dashboard. This is our center column here, all related to personnel evaluations. Again, a little blurb at the top that kind of goes through those things. We'll jump into the first one here. This is steps failed. This goes into the in depth on which steps specifically failed during IA evaluations. So fiscal year, this is set up to look at these individual fiscal years. Can filter out by district, qualification area, and we can see by test method. We can look at which specific methods if we wanted to break it down to that level. But you can see an overall here by test method and by qualification area. And then our table down here will give us by district as well as by each of these individual methods. So move me over here for a moment. So you can see if you look overall from 2020 to 2021, these areas with the failures. So the large half here is concrete field technician. You can see most of the failures that happen there are the C173 followed by C31, and then this will give us a breakdown of where a lot of those failures took place, or where they took place, broken down by district. So we can see here, and it kind of give you an idea of which failures happened where. So again, this is good for our inspectors in the field to know where to focus when they go do those evaluations. We can see where folks are having issues. We'll go back out, click on production facilities, move on to our next report. Down here, technicians strikes reset back to 0. So these are strikes that were given out over a given time period, a given fiscal year, that never got cleared. So the strike fell off and they got reset to 0 after 365 days of not being evaluated. So again, you can see here the concrete field technician aggregate testing. This is a percentage of the total number that got reset to 0, not the number of strikes that were given out. So of all of the technicians that got reset to 0, 44% of those were in concrete field technician grade 1, which means they never got reevaluated after a strike was given. And this gives the breakdown by district. Again, you can filter that out by district level. They're all the different qualification areas are going to be listed here. And then a table that'll give you some more information, specifically which technician. You can go in and look in MAC at the evaluation ID and who evaluated various pieces of information. So go back to production facilities. We'll go down to our last one here for the IA program. A percentage of technicians who refuse to participate in the proficiency sampling program. So this is folks who signed up for a sample to be delivered and for some reason or another did not report results. So again, this breaks it down by qualification area. You can look over any given time period and then filter it out by district as well. And again, this just tells you who those folks were, what the evaluation was, and which area that they did not participate in. This little table here gives you a number of technicians by district who didn't participate. Those are our IA program reports. Thank you.